Okay, this is the video source. Like you can do anything, but you might be wondering how to create a video source. Okay, I'm gonna add a scene right there. Maracodon. Okay, to create display, you go to the plus and then add display capture. Name anything. I'm gonna keep this. Okay. Okay. You can also remove capture cursor if you want, but I need it. Let's do display. Yes. Do anything capture method. You can do manual anything like this. Just do that. And you want those video cam. The that there's sources like game capture. Oh, I don't have that yet. You can also do video capture device, which is my webcam. Oh, hello right there. And then keep it right there. It's gonna just like that. Just like that. I can't make it good. Unlock, lock. You can lock it. Now this is locked. I cannot move it anywhere. Okay, to unlock it, just press that again. Padlock. Then let's say we want some effect filters. Not that. So not that. Got that. Let's say we need color source. Create no color source. I thought that was gradient. Yeah, that's completely pink. If you want that, I'm gonna. You can make it as a sidebar of some sort. Look, something as a sidebar. Sidebar. Then you want another. Oh, you want me in the sidebar? Yourself in the sidebar? Okay. Oh. But look, I cannot do that after. So I'll do this. Bring it to front. Oh shit, let's bring it to front. Bring it to front. Oh no. Just cut that off, please. Okay. And here I'm gonna scene one. Stop it. This is scene one, and this is scene two. I'm gonna place right there. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's actually it. Go back. This is me in the front, but there's an easy way. Make it. Now this will come front. Yes, I was. You should just drag this priority. Like let's say I want to display more priority. All are gone. And it comes back. Now game capture is. It's like you need a game, and yeah, you can do these. I may not. If I'm not gonna make a video about that. Got that. Capture cursor, use anti-cheat compatibility hook. capture third-party overlays such as Steam. Like that you could do. I'm not doing that. I don't have that game capture. I can delete that. Yeah, this is how to remove. Guys, I don't need this. Remove. See this. Remove. Yes. What is it? And then you can also I'm gonna I'm gonna place my side I'm gonna place it right there. Now I can do that. You'll still see the sidebar. It's that let's say I wanted to look at some things. Let's let's say I want to use paint on a it's just capturing what you're doing. Like this is a capture software. Have something opened. I want to paint something. Yeah, you'll see what I'm doing. Let's see. Look at that. Yeah, that's a browser. Yeah, yeah, you can actually use the browser. I'm gonna, yeah, by creating go there. Yeah, same process as a browser. Now, edit properties. You can use any source, like let's say something like youtube.com. Yep, there's a YouTube shell right there, right in front of your eyes. But it's not. Wait, look at that. A full shell of YouTube. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Oh, I'm gonna delete that. Oh, it's saying I'm gonna go history. How will, but how to interact with it? I'm gonna lock it. Lock it. Can't interact with it, unfortunately. But that's pretty cool. I'm gonna delete that. Wait, properties. Custom frame rate. You can do any custom frame rate. Shutdown source and not available. That's good. I'm gonna delete that. Delete. Delete. Yes, I don't care. I'm gonna not like that. Like that. And yes, the audio mixer. You could just turn down your desktop audio or turn down. Uh, yep. What's start virtual camera is I already have a camera, so I don't need that. Studio mode is yes, studio mode. That's what I'm talking about. Scene one. Scene. Scene. This is scene. Preview scene. So this is scene one, which I'm gonna do something. And this. So I can actually do something. Oh, look. Loops. That's what I want. So scene one, I can integrate like, let's say browser. Let's say that same thing that I did. Text. Not same thing. this huge ginormous text. Now you can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna stop recording.